Hello guys. So if you see this video, this is me betting on myself. I don't even know what to do again. I've shot like 10 things already. And I've not even talked about what I want to say today, but yeah, it's just clumsy. I'm just trying to have it all figured out. But it's also a message to somebody out there. The fact that you don't have it all together doesn't mean you shouldn't start. And that is what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I did some research today, asked some questions, and it even occurred to me that my setup is not complete. I don't have proper lighting, proper jars, video jars, softbox, all those stuff to make it cinematic. But yeah, it won't stop me. While I work towards getting those things, it won't stop me from doing my video. Yeah, it won't. And this is the video. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. If you find a reason to stop, you will get 100 more reasons not to do it. So even though mediocrity is not permitted here, we don't do that here. Um, do not have any reason to stop. While you work on perfection, start anyway. Start anyway. Some of the things you see around the world today that seem perfect are things that started as base things. Like when this thing started, you will never believe they will evolve to become what they are today. For instance, phone. I believe some of you, even if you did not use it, you must have seen some of the older phones. When these guys started, they did not have the perfect product that they have today. And even as of today, it's not still perfect because in a few years' time to come, in a few years and in time to come, there will still be many evolution that will bring changes in the things we know now as contemporary devices. But because they didn't have it all figured out, didn't stop them from starting. I saw a picture of the one of the first Mercedes Benz ever made, and even if they gift that to you today, you won't use it. But as at then, it was their product, and they were proud about it. They made it while they continued to evolve, and that is why the car of 2023 is different from their model of 2025. It's different from their model of 2025, and 2026 is still approaching. They evolve. They You can learn as you go, and that is what I'm doing now. To be honest, that's what I'm doing now, and I won't stop. I won't stop. So why should you stop? Looking at the camera now, this is not what I plan to say today, and I know I'm just ranting. And if you still watched up to this point, please like this video and comment. Let me know where you are watching from, just to encourage me, and so that we can keep sharing things like this. This is as natural as it comes. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. In 2 weeks' time, even though I didn't have it all figured out, I've gone from 27 subscribers to about 900 subscribers. Just by doing it, I told myself that I will learn, I will improve, and my tomorrow will be better than today. But it doesn't mean I won't do anything today, right? No tree appears on its own. It's a seed that was first planted. And even though the seed, as at the time when it was planted, did not look like a tree or don't look like a tree, but the farmer will still plant in hope and faith that this seed will one day become a tree. And that is what I'm doing, and that is what you should do. Don't allow the fear of errors or the you trying to be perfect or that drive for perfectionism. Don't allow it stop you from doing the things you want to do. Just enter, just do it. Yeah, just do it. Just do it. And I'm amazed at how my channel grew just this week, just within 1 week. When I started around Friday last week, that's today's Sunday, that's about a week and 2 days. Let's just say approximately 10 days. I just had 27 subscribers, which I got from one shot that I collaborated on. I had not really posted any content on this channel, even though I have been running one or two faceless channels that I'm still trying to monetize. But um, I only told myself the only thing that pushed me to it was I didn't want to wait for 2026 to come before starting. Going to look like a New Year resolution, and sometimes it will most likely fail because it just came with the spur of the moment. I wanted to start something even before the year begins. That's 2026, and um, I also told myself that I know I don't know everything about this stuff. I'm a builder by training. If you take me to sites, you give me working drawings, whatever the structure, I can make good on it. But this is not my area, but it's something I love. It's something I've always hoped to do. It's something I want to do. And so I said, okay, why not just do it? And prior to this, I do public speaking. I've spoken at TEDx events before, spoken at several events and conferences. And oh boy, I'm good at this. Yeah, I'm a lecturer too by training. And public speaking is something that I do every time. But facing the camera now, it just looks different. It sounds different. Oh, I even forgot I'm still wearing this bonnet. Yeah. Okay. When I wanted to shoot the video, I looked at myself in the mirror and I thought, okay, I need to shave, but that shouldn't stop me from doing a video. Like I told you, you have many reasons. You have many things that want to stop you from just doing that thing. Like for instance, today I did some research and I saw some of the areas where I'm lacking proper lightning, proper jazz, and I already have plans towards getting some of these things. Some I even found out today that I need, but I have plans towards it. That's an excuse that should have stopped me from shooting today. Also, like I was saying, my haircut, I look rough. I should have had my barber come around to shave me yesterday, but that was not possible. And that's supposed to be another reason to stop me from shooting the video. And oh boy, so many things, so many things, so many things. And even the topic I'm supposed to talk about today, it's in my head, but I don't seem to be in the right frame of mind to even talk about the topic. But yet, I want to put something out there. So as I was saying, sorry that this video is clumsy. I'm just ranting. I hope anybody that views up to this point, anybody that views up to this point, please let me know in the comment section. You did well. We all will grow. I believe that if you are a new YouTuber too, please, and you've watched up to this point, put a comment in the comment section, and I promise I'll follow you. I'll subscribe to your channel. For so long as it's delivering value, I'll definitely subscribe so we can all grow together. All right, as I was saying, I've been speaking for a while, public speaking, spoken at TEDx events, spoken at various conferences. I lecture virtually every week. Yeah, as a lecturer in Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, Edo State, Nigeria. But the thing is, staying one-on-one with camera, light, and it's still like a new phenomenon, and it's enough to even not do it. I prefer that someone videos me or does a shoot when I don't even notice. But now I have to be intentional about doing this thing, and it's scary, but yeah, we are doing it anyways. And for my powerful 900 subscribers I've gotten on my channel, thank you so much. Your subscriptions, your likes, and your comments on my previous shots, and just one long form video that I've done have motivated me so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And to that person watching this, watch to this extent, don't stop. Try to be consistent, stay consistent. That's what I've done for about 2 weeks now. I just try to post something every day, something of value, try to do it, optimize your titles. My thumbnail was whack in my former video, and I hope to even work on the thumbnail for this one. But thumbnail is also key from the research I've done. Your titles, your description, if there is a need to put disclaimer, put it. And then just learn as much as you can. There are too many materials out there for you not to learn. Just learn. Follow. There are many YouTubers dedicated to sharing tips on how to grow on YouTube. Follow them, listen to them. That is what I've been doing for a while now. Listen to them, watch their videos, pick 1 or 2 tips, and I believe we all will grow. As at the time when I sat down to start talking, I just wanted to test the video quality, test the mic and all, but I think I've spoken enough. So have an amazing day. I hope we all grow and get better for it. I can't wait to start dishing out value, like real value on this channel. So if you are up for that, you like to get talks on leadership, like to get inspirational talks on leadership, talks on value system, talks on business, talks on career, even construction related talks. I'm up for that. And you'll get much from this channel, I assure you. So leave a like, subscribe to this video. Let me know what you think about all I've just said. Let me know if any point I raised makes sense to you. You can also share your struggles in the comment section. I'll sure reply all of them, and we all grow together. And if you're a big YouTuber that come across this and you've watched up till this point, please also leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If there are tips you can share that can make the channel better, I'm open to hearing every single one of them. All right, and have an amazing day. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.